In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil on a 2013 Hyundai Tucson. These are the other vehicles this video will work for. To get started, open the hood, locate the oil cap and the dipstick. Remove the oil cap, remove the dipstick, clean it off, insert it back in, then remove it, make sure the oil wasn't too low. Then you can raise the vehicle up, and if you're going to be rotating your tires, the lug nuts are a 21mm and they're torqued to 80 foot-pounds. Then you can remove the drain plug. This is a 17mm, let the oil drain out. Then after the oil is done draining, reinstall the drain plug and then tighten it up. This is the part number for this oil filter. Then locate the oil filter, then use an oil filter wrench to remove it, let it drain out. Then reinstall the new oil filter, then lower the vehicle back down, then fill it up with oil. This vehicle takes 5 quarts of 5W20. Then reinstall the oil cap, then start the vehicle, let it run for 5 to 10 seconds. Then check your oil level, make sure it's at the proper level. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.